between the trees, the bushes there. Come on, behind Noli. Go right behind Noli.
Oh yeah, I see him now.
Yeah, see that?
I see him twice. I think he's gonna go fly by first, huh?
Think he'll stop and pick us up?
$5 million. I can hear it, I think. Oh yeah, can you? I can see it.
Wait, he's gonna get a lot bigger.
Oh crud.
Is he gonna ride right over my head?
Hey, that guy's in the way. It's gonna go right over my head, I think. If I stand right here, it's gonna go right over my head. I think I should run. Go. Go. Oh, I see it.
Oh my God. Behind the tree.
Oh my God.
Doesn't it look like it's going really slow?